Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your online accounts with LastPass, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the LastPass website. Click on the Get LastPass Free button to begin the installation process. Choose the appropriate version for your browser or device. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the LastPass extension or app. Once installed, locate the LastPass icon in your browser's toolbar or your device's app menu. Click on the LastPass icon to open the login window. If you already have an account, enter your email and master password to log in. If you are new to LastPass, select the option to create a new account. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a strong master password. Make sure your master password is unique and not easily guessable. Complete any additional security measures, such as email verification. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your LastPass vault. To start securing your online accounts, click on the Add Item button. Select Password from the drop-down menu. In the new window, enter the website URL, username, and password for your account. You can also choose to generate a strong password directly within LastPass. After filling in the details, click Save to store your credentials securely. Repeat this process for each online account you wish to secure. To use LastPass for autofilling, log into a site where you have stored credentials. LastPass will prompt you to save the login information automatically. Next, explore the settings within LastPass for additional security options. Consider enabling multi-factor authentication for extra protection. You can find this option in the account settings under multi-factor options. Choose your preferred method, such as using an authenticator app or SMS. Follow the prompts to set up multi-factor authentication on your account. Regularly update your master password to maintain security. Keep your LastPass application or extension updated to protect against vulnerabilities. Additionally, revisit your vault periodically to manage and remove outdated login information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.